8 degrees. And this is in the evening. Somebody's looking through the window. You look like you've got a red Indian hat on there. Are you making me coffee? Is that what you came to tell me? I'd love a coffee. Yes, please. Right. Hemline. Now, a couple of people have said that where can they get them from? That they're in America and where can they get them from? You probably won't be able to get them now because it's almost the end of the Advent calendar, and when I've looked online, nobody has them. You probably will have to wait until this time, until about September next year, and you might be able to find some, but it's possible that this will be the same one with the same contents, or whether there's something different. I actually looked on Google for mine. I looked for Advent calendar with sewing gadgets, and this is what came up. Also the German one, women's gadgets, came up at the same time. I think I got the German one first. This didn't come up first. I was at the actual Harrogate show, knitting and stitching show, and a lady came up to one of the stalls and had said that she'd got an Advent calendar with gadgets, with sewing gadgets from the Sewing Quarter, and it was being reduced right down to £20 from £80 or £60. So I rushed along there and I couldn't find they had any left. And then when I went outside to go home, I went straight on my phone and looked for Advent calendar with sewing gadgets, and I came up with the hemline. And so I ordered it while I was standing outside the knitting and stitching show, and it came on December the 2nd. So it was very close, but well worth it. Another person said there's a lot of plastic stuff in here, and yes, I'd agree with them, but I don't know whether they'd be able to find anything that was suitable, that was cheap enough to put into these things if they weren't plastic. We'll just have to make sure we use them to our best effect. So here's 21. 21, it's got a pin cushion on there, but I don't know if it is. Retractable tape measure. I'm sure I've had one of these. Oh no, I had one in the German one, didn't I? They're very hard to get out. Let's see if I might have to down the camera again to get this out. Oh no, there we go. Retractable tape measure. Let's have a look at it. And this is the retractable tape measure. Now the good thing about this one compared with the German one, as you remember in the German gadgets I got one of these, this one has little notches that locks it as you pull it out like that. You can see them, so it doesn't come out. Now then, yes, I'm coming back in. You could have just taken it back there, but you're looking a bit worse for wear today. Have you shaved?
Hey, this being at home lot just before Christmas is harder than working.
Is it? Why?
Because I'm up and down lofts, Christmas damn trees. Bloody bar humbug, that's what I say.
Oh dear me, bar humbug.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bar humbug.
Bar humbug. See you later.
Bye.
He's just been putting up a Christmas tree and he's had to go, we keep it in the loft, and he's had to go up and down the loft so many times. Anyway, I was saying that this locks, and it's got a little button that draws it in, so that's a good one to have. Very good. I do have quite a lot of these tape measures, but it's amazing. I must have about 6 or 7, but whenever you want one, you can never find one. They're never in the place where you left them. So that is the sewing one from Hemline. Let's see what our ladies' German gadgets give us. They're full of amazing things, this one, so let's see what it is. Now, there's not many left now. They've got 21st, 21st, 22nd. Big day, that one. That's my birthday. 23rd. And 24th. So it would be nice if they did one on Christmas Day, so you actually got a present on Christmas Day, but never mind. Here's the 21st. Right, see if I can do it a different way and get my finger. And it says, Wer gold jedes Wort von dir. Wer goldet jedes Wort von dir. Wort wunder? Wunder? Oh! I've got a gold whistle. Well, a gold whistle. Let's see if it works. Oh, it does. Oh, I know. That's for whistling to tell the husband it's time for the coffee to come in. Oh, he wouldn't like that, would he? Now, what else would I use a whistle for? Carry in your handbag in case you have anything happens, unless, you know, maybe it's a bit of a safety alert. If you play hockey, although I used to play hockey years and years ago, but I don't know that I could manage it now. I think I'd struggle about a few yards and then I'd be huffing and puffing and heaving and panting. But not a bad little thing, but not sure what I would use it for. If you have any ideas, please let me know. So that is day 21 of the 2 advent calendars. Hemline, tape measure and German gadgets whistle. With the word, I'm going to have to look this up so you can find out what it says. The translations are extremely weird. It is Vergoldet jedes Wort Wunder. Wunder, don't know. We'll soon find out. How can you wrap Christmas presents up when a certain cat decides she wants to stand on the table? Well, I bought some catnip yesterday, and some of the catnip, the packet was inside some of the a carrier bag with some of these gifts. And it seems that she has found that the catnip's still on there. It's just rolling about on the table where the things that were wrapped up were in the bag. How on earth can I wrap presents with you doing this? Eh? How on earth can I wrap presents? Eh?